Okay everybody, so gotta put an action sensor in the Dodge. I didn't put it in there when I got the exhaust done. I should have. Truck ran alright, but now it's getting cold, it's loading up big time. Trying to stall when you're at an idle. And then when you're going down the road, you try to get on it and it falls on its face, starts backfiring. So I got it out and on my other video, and I gotta drill a hole in the exhaust. Gotta get my welder set back up. I was over at my buddy's house, we doing some work. I left it there so he could use it. So I gotta go ahead and get that all put back together. And then I gotta weld the little bung onto the exhaust and screw it in, plug it in, and hoping that I don't have to buy a new oxygen sensor. So there we go. Okay, I just gotta get the truck jacked up so I can fit under the damn thing. Alright, so it's a little hard to see, but my other oxygen sensor goes about right here, 45 degrees-ish. I can't get the drill in there, so I'm gonna try and put this thing somewhere here. I have enough plug to do it because my drill to get 40 or an upward angle, my drill is gonna have to be like so. Well, this is what we're gonna try because this is all I have without taking it apart. Okay, hopefully that was the right size hole. It was. And then take your little bung here. We're just gonna stick it up here. I'm gonna hit this with a hammer just to flatten it out a little bit because this one is not curved. That way I have more surface area I don't have to fill in. All right, we'll bring it back. Okay, so the next part, welding, there's not gonna be any sound because I gotta run my generator. So there won't be any sound in this clip, but we're just gonna go ahead and weld this up around it and then screw the action sensor in. So here we go. dual fuel. It's 10,000, 8,000 running, 9,000 starting watts. Or it's a 10,000, 8,000 on gasoline, and it's a 9,700 on propane. We're welding this with a Hobart 190 MIG welder. All right, we're back. I went ahead, let that cool for a little bit. It's probably still hot. Went ahead and put on some ARP Ultra Torque. I don't know what it's rated for in heat, but that's what I had. There's oxygen sensor wrench and all that you can use for these. I fortunately do not have one. So go ahead and tighten it up. I have a hard time welding under vehicles because I don't really have the neck power anymore. I got arthritis in my neck really bad. And then having my broken back from a few years ago still lingering, and having my broken arm from a few years still lingering. It really takes a toll on me, especially when I gotta hold my head up or anything. So go ahead, we got that. Now I don't want to run my wires over the exhaust. It was on the back side, see, so it ran down the frame. So I'm gonna bend this heat shield down just a little bit. Slip that right through there. Take and figure out which way this goes. Ahead. Oh. Yes. Okay, and we're just gonna take this, scoot this back just a little bit, and then there we go. And now she's not gonna hit the drive shaft. Push her heat shield back up, and there we go. We're all installed. Now I just gotta test her out. Cold start. Alright, so we ran the truck and it didn't shut off, so we're going to cheat. We're going to loosen up this battery cable. Touch it to positive. That kills all the power in the whole system. Go ahead and we'll reinstall it. Also, when you're welding on your vehicle, you should always unhook your battery. This isn't a Ford, and I know my one buddy, he's a Ford guy. He found out the hard way. I've only heard Ford guys, when they weld on their truck, they should unhook the battery cable. Those are the only guys I've heard that the computer gets fried. Only one. Oh. Let's go back in here. Our truck's a Dodge, so we're gonna put it in neutral. Yeah, engine light's still on. Probably gonna have to change the oxygen sensor anyway. That's cool. Alright, so I took the oxygen sensor plug apart. It was corroded a little bit. I didn't think about that when I put it in. I should have. So I went ahead, took a wire brush, cleaned the inside, disconnected the battery again, arced them out, put them on, hit the key, light was on, fired it up, no more light. So now all we gotta do is drive it around. Airbags, because I disconnected it because I was afraid it was gonna go off, but we'll get to that later. So one other thing, it's a pretty easy job. It takes me a while just because my body's pretty much done at this point. I really need a lift. I really need some on-grid power to the pull bar because this off-grid kind of sucks, but just thankful for what I got. I want to give a shout out to Mad Ginger Customs. He was talking to another guy and I read his comment because the guy was close to being monetized, and he was just talking about the Amazon affiliate account. So I want to thank him for putting that out there because, you know, I read that and I did some research and I started mine up. So from here on out, and I've already done it on a lot of my other videos of just main products, I put the link in the description below. So if you watch my videos or you want to check out what I'm using, whatever, click on those links. It'll take you straight to the Amazon website, and then if you buy that, I get a little kickback from it, which will help my channel grow. It doesn't bother me if people don't, because I'm still going to make this stuff just for fun. So I'm not making any money on it right now anyway, but I just like filming stuff that I do. So that's all I got. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Have a good night. If I don't make a video before Christmas, you know, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy Hanukkah. Any other holiday you guys may celebrate. So thank you guys. Appreciate it.